Good evening, everyone. I'm Cassidy Stevens. Thank you so much for joining us on this Friday night. Virginia's Attorney General ordering UVA Health to stop all gender-affirming care and medication for patients under 19 years old. He says it's to comply with an order from President Donald Trump threatening to withhold federal funding from institutions providing those services. Breaking this evening, a protest over UVA Health's decision to comply. CBS 19's Mark Gadd joins us live. Mark, tell us what you can see.
Yeah, look, Cassie, instead of telling you, I'm just going to show you the amount of people that are out here right now. We're going to take a little walk, and we're going to show just how many people are out here. Now, this all started in front of the UVA Health Hospital, but now the protesters have marched, and they are now currently in front of the Battle Building at UVA. Now, I spoke with some of the protesters earlier who tell me why they're here.
I'm here to protect people's rights, basically, healthcare rights. It's a very important thing, and we need to protect our children. They do not do any surgical procedures here at UVA. So what the heck is this about? We counsel people, and we help parents, and we help children. I've been an educator for 32 years, and this is very important.
This all stems from a memo sent by State Attorney General Jason Miyares calling for the end of what he calls chemical and surgical mutilation of children. The memo calls for compliance with President Trump's executive order to cut federal funding for facilities providing gender-affirming surgeries and medications for people under 19 years old. But protesters tell me UVA has never offered gender-affirming surgeries for minors, but UVA said in a statement they have suspended such procedures while they analyze the federal order. The health system refused to take any questions, but did issue a statement saying, like many health systems across the country, the University of Virginia and UVA Health are working to analyze and interpret the federal order and relate it to state guidance. Now, I also did speak to a group called Do No Harm, and they say they support this action taken by the Attorney General and President Trump's executive order. Take a listen.
Well, I think these surgeries are incredibly harmful, and so I would hope that these patients who have been saved by this executive order would take the time to reevaluate this and to really seek some counseling to help process these issues. These are real issues.
Yeah, now we don't know how long these protesters are going to be out here for, but the ones I did speak to told me they'll be out here as long as it takes. So we're going to be out here all night, and we'll keep you updated with the latest. For now, live in Charlottesville, I'm Mark Gadd, CBS 19 News.
All right, thank you, Mark. We also reached out to the Attorney General's office and was told he was unavailable for interview today.